Next up, on Magriza Mimi Cook.
ngesindebele esamahlabezulu esikamthwakazi. Lokho esikubiza ngesingisi kuthiwa ngama-months. Sithi zinyanga. Sikubiza kanjalo ngoba sisebenzisa inyanga le ephezulu.
So, before we get into the months, Nyangwazi, we want to unpack what each month means, but I think it's also important for us to understand the concept of time. Yes, to that it's not done in the way the Western people look at it. Everything is very meticulous. It's meticulously chosen. Uguti, for example, we name our weeks deliberately. The days of the weeks are named deliberately.
Esintwini inyanga yakuqala nxa kuyikuthi umnyaka wakhona uzaba le nyanga ezili12 kuthiwa nguNcwabakazi ngesingisi ngapha kuthiwa ngu-August.
March is known as Umbimbito, and from a cultural perspective, ngiyakhumbula babe entshela esithi Umbimbito vele izinto sizibambi kumbi phandle, you know, because things were green, and it's also because izulu seliphela.
Ngiyabe ngizama ukubonisa ukuthi kungani abantu bethi into enje lisiko kusukela ngaphi ngoba yonke into elisiko isuke kuyikuthi iyabizama ukuhlangabezana lesimo esithile. Ayisikuthi nje kuphela abantu bayavuka bethi lokho seye kulisiko haji.
Dadewethu, unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Welcome finally to Magriza Mimi Cook.
Finally.
After 34 years.
Yazini, hleze ngaguga Steve ngilokho ngilindile.
Guga's
Waphuma
tail.
inwele ezimhlophe lokho ngilindile ngiyathe.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.